ArtSpace released two new AI models for generating AI images, as you can see here, Nova Ultra and Stellar Pro. Welcome back to Digital Toolcase. It's been a while without talking about this AI image generation tool. It's called ArtSpace AI. I made many videos about it because I pretty like it, and I like the fact that they still have a lifetime deal. So if you don't want to commit to a subscription, you can still get your lifetime deal with ArtSpace. I will show you very quickly the plans here, and then we will talk about them again later. But now they have three different plans. As you can see from this one, $77 one-time fee with 500 images per month. This is 1,000 per month and it's $147, and this is the unlimited one. So I will suggest, if you can afford it, this unlimited plan, it's the best, because obviously you don't have limits on images generations, sometimes you need to generate more than one time, so this is the best, $247. You can also have a discount when you go here on this site. By the way, link is in the description. When you go here, for example, if you try to exit from this site, you can get a 10% off code, so you can save again some money. Now I will try to use these two new AI models, but I just want to show you the Facebook community for ArtSpace AI. Some time ago, one user posted this poll: I'm enjoying the new update, which is your favorite new model? And as you can see, the most voted is Stellar Pro. We also have some examples of images generated with these new models. This is an example using Stellar Pro. Again, Stellar Pro can generate also this kind of images with this particular style, or something like this. For example, let's go also on the gallery section here on the ArtSpace website. Let's take a look at this one. This is a Stellar Pro AI model, and as you can see, it's pretty good in generating people, and I would say better than before. So let's take this image. I will copy this prompt. We can try to generate again this image. Obviously it will not be exactly the same, but let's use this prompt and let's try with Nova Ultra in the first attempt, and let's see how this new AI model generates this image. I also have a boost of visual vibrance activated, smart content filter. This is for blocking inappropriate content. Maybe I don't need it for this example, but let's keep it active. The negative prompts in these examples are the default ones, so let's try to generate. And here it is. I'm using the Nova Ultra model for this example. Now let's do the same thing again, same prompt, but let's change this AI model to Stellar Pro. It's the best if we listen to ArtSpace users. Let's try even with this one. In this case, I can't see the face, but obviously with AI you never know the result of your image. This is why I'm suggesting to choose, if you can, the unlimited plan, because in this example I need to regenerate because I want to see the face of this girl maybe. So let's use again the same prompt and regenerate again. And here it is. This is way better. As you can see, it's pretty good in generating people, way better than before. This is the Stellar Pro AI model. Let's try a different prompt, maybe with a different style of image. Let's see this one. Pretty interesting in these details. So again, copy prompt, and let's use again Nova Ultra, so we can see the difference between the two AI models. I don't know exactly in what they differ, but you can see by yourself, maybe depending on the kind of image. So in this case, as you can see, is more cartoonish than the one we see here, but here we have Stellar Pro as AI model, and here I use Nova Ultra. So now let's generate it again with this Stellar Pro. Anyway, it's pretty good, this cartoonish image here. I pretty like it. It's well defined, good colors. I like it. A big step ahead for this AI image generator, I will say. Now let's take a look at this Stellar Pro version. And here it is, very similar to this one. Not exactly the same, but very similar, I will say. Anyway, as you can see, this is the image generated. Again, many details. Yes, okay, some imperfection here on these faces, but if you watch it like this, for example, you can't really tell there are imperfections. So these are the two new models for ArtSpace AI, Nova Ultra, Stellar Pro, and again you can still purchase a lifetime deal starting from $77 one-time fee, 500 images generations per month, here 147, 1000 per month, and here it's unlimited. Again, I will choose this one if you can, because obviously you can generate unlimited images, and you also have some monthly bonus features, because you can do AI face swap in ArtSpace AI. You have some limits depending on the plan you choose. Here is all unlimited. Again, this is the best plan, and here you can get some credits for inpainting, extend image, remove background, image to image, and 4K upscaling. So these plans are lifetime deals, but they change going forward, and this is why you may want to take action now, because maybe they will increase, or maybe the lifetime deal will not be available anymore in just a few months. I don't really know. And again, if you go here and try to exit the page, you will get a 10% discount, so you will save more money. Link is in the description for ArtSpace AI. If you want to take a look at others AI space videos, you can find them here on my channel, or check on the description. I will leave the links here below. I hope you like these new AI models here in ArtSpace. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.